17th, 2023, a trooper spotted a blue pickup truck with expired license plates and immediately initiated a pursuit. The trooper activated his siren and informed the suspect of the pursuit, but the suspect continued to refuse to stop.
I got a green Dodge Dakota felony hill, 67 southbound, across the boat ditches just south of Curtis, headed towards Buren. Adam Charles David, 35 Tom, ACD 35T, green Dodge Dakota. We're only rolling about 56 miles.
After waiting for an extended period for the suspect to stop voluntarily, the trooper decided to execute a tactical vehicle intervention, TVI, to bring the pursuit to an end.
Yeah, 237. TVI correction. Make sure the county intelligence has some units coming on the felony takedown. Get out of the truck! Get out of the truck! Get out of the truck! Get out of the damn truck! Do it now! Get out! Get out! Get out! Get out! Turn around! Turn around! Turn around!
Unmarked car!
Turn around!
Unmarked
Turn around!
car. You!
The trooper deployed a taser in an attempt to arrest the suspect, but when the suspect did not fall to the ground, the trooper resorted to using physical force to subdue and arrest him.
Behind your back!
I can't!
Put your hands behind
I
your back!
can't! I can't! God damn it!
I can't! It's police brutality. Unmarked car, you can't pull me over in an unmarked car. Why are you so mad, bro? Unmarked car. Police brutality.
On July 17th, 2023, a trooper overheard radio traffic from Marion police officer John Dexter, who was involved in a vehicle pursuit on Military Road, heading towards Mound City Road with a black Chevrolet Tahoe. The trooper responded and intercepted the pursuit on Interstate 40 eastbound at the 282-mile marker, where the suspect's vehicle had entered the highway.
7X.
The trooper radioed Officer Dexter, informing him that he would take the primary position in the pursuit and manage traffic, allowing him to perform a tactical vehicle intervention TVI.
Hold on, stay back here. Stay back here. Get out with your long gun.
A check of the vehicle's tag revealed that it was expired, and Bradley was found to have a suspended driver's license.
Get him in. I thought he was going to hit you. You do it or he does? What's his name? That's how we do it. Oh, yeah. That's how we do it here.
On June June 27th, 2023, a trooper observed a vehicle approaching from behind. When the vehicle passed, the trooper noted that the license plate was expired. After running the plate through ACIC, he confirmed that the tags were expired and the vehicle was uninsured. The trooper then pulled off the shoulder and attempted to catch up to the vehicle. To avoid a prolonged and potentially dangerous pursuit, the trooper executed a tactical vehicle intervention, TVI, to resolve the situation and took the driver into custody without further incident.
Put your hands on my car! Do not move!
The trooper found 3 plastic bags containing a white crystal-like substance weighing approximately 24 grams, which field tested positive for methamphetamine. Additionally, there was a burnt glass pipe with white residue and a small weighing scale.
Give me your hand.
You got me. I ain't going nowhere. I promise you, boss. I know promise don't mean shit, but...
On July 8th, 2023, the trooper was informed by the Pike County Sheriff's Office that Deputy Obie Laurent was in pursuit of a black Dodge Challenger. Deputy Laurent reported that speeds during the pursuit exceeded 100 miles per hour.
Yeah, we'll turn on highway. I'm free going, 10-6-2-3-4-8-21. I was wrong. He's bound on Broadway.
He's down Broadway. Turn on North 3rd Street.
Turning on 3rd Street off Broadway. Turning on 3rd off Broadway. K21 still primary.
CFS comments added.
The suspect sped about 20 miles per hour over the limit on Lake Shore Street. The trooper performed a tactical vehicle intervention, TVI, on the rear driver's side, causing the vehicle to skid onto a curb and stop.
Speeds are 29 miles per hour.
CFS comments added.
Just accelerated to 44.
Passing Pauling Street on 3rd Street. Passing Pauling on 3rd Street.
TVI.
Successful pit. Successful pit.
See your head! See your head! See your head! Roll down the window! Roll the window down! Roll it down! Roll it down! Roll it down! Roll it down! Now! Roll it down! Roll it down! Roll it down! No! Roll the window down! See your hands!
The trooper, Deputy Laurent, and Officer Watson helped the suspect out of the vehicle and onto the ground, where he was taken into custody. The suspect, Cruz, said, "I could have had y'all."
Point one, Springs, you copy me. We're 1015, one Hispanic male.
21, I got 10-15 with 810.
Good pick. Damn good pick.
All right, roll up. Roll on your side.
The trooper asked Cruz if he had used any substances, and Cruz admitted to taking methamphetamine. When asked when he last used methamphetamine, Cruz responded that it was around 11 p.m. the previous night.
That was fun though, wasn't it?
No, you endangered a lot of people's lives. That wasn't fun.
Well, yeah. I understand.
It's idiotic.
Yeah.
Not smart.
Where's the gun?
I ain't got a gun.
Got bullets, no gun?
Yeah.
On July 8th, 2023, communications reported that Cabot was in pursuit of a white Dodge Challenger. The trooper joined the pursuit as the vehicle entered Interstate 30 westbound from Curtis Sykes, taking over as the primary unit. The Challenger was traveling at speeds around 130 miles per hour, weaving between vehicles and passing on the shoulder.
All primary now 48, copy traffic.
We're past 139B. We're going south on 30 right now.
10-4.
to 16, I'm about to scout their change. Number 139AX, we're still going to be heading on I-30. Yep, we're just past 139AX, still on I-30.
The trooper executed a tactical vehicle intervention, TVI, by using the front right corner of his bumper to make contact with the left rear of the suspect vehicle. This maneuver caused the vehicle to rotate to the left side of the roadway, where its rear struck the concrete barrier, effectively ending the pursuit.
10-4.
I'm no longer secondary. I'm 18 Little Rock, I'm secondary, I'll call it. We're 30 west, just passing the south interchange. Right lane, speed to 120.
Careful.
11, 18, and 16, y'all end it when you can. 10-4. Just past the 137 westbound. Number 2 lane, speed to 135.
The driver, later identified as Marquette Muhammad, fled on foot into the woods but was apprehended shortly thereafter.
136.5. Copy, TVI.
To the woods.
Troopers successfully located the suspect hiding in confusion behind a tree, arrested him, and took him into custody.
We're in the wood line, we're coming out with them. Careful.
Oh. Yep. Should have stopped, man. I just bought a car. Oh, you just bought it? You just wrecked it?
No, he just stole it.
Yeah, I know.
That's why I got behind it.
That didn't work out too well for you, did it?
Don't you think that was stupid?
Sorry.
Muhammad was charged with the following: theft of property, $25,000, fleeing, felony, vehicle or conveyance, substantial danger of death, fleeing on foot, aggravated assault, speeding more than 15 miles per hour over the limit, reckless driving. And that's all 5 cases for today's episode.